Alrighty, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to look at the Nikon FG, which is pretty exciting. I haven't had a chance to use this camera yet, so I thought probably a good opportunity to load a roll of film in and make a video on it. Now, first up is opening the camera, and all I'm going to do is just pull that knob up from the camera, and it opens up the door for film. Now, for film, I have decided to go with a Kentmere 400. I quite like Kentmere 400 35mm film. It's a pretty affordable black and white, and so I'm going to go with that today. But if you prefer color or a different black and white 35mm film, be my guest. Absolutely go ahead with it. It's up to your choice. First of all, I am going to pull the film through, and I'm going to feed it into the spool on the right hand side. Now there's a groove within the spool there that you want to feed the end of the film into. And once that's done, there's a wheel at the bottom there that you can see I'm running my thumb across. It's got some grooves along it, and that'll help fit, actually just kind of wind on the film to the spool. And once that's got enough there, you want to close up the door and just advance the film just a couple of shots. And you'll be able to see on the right hand side, there's a little window here that gives you the indicator of how far and how many shots you've taken. So just keep an eye on that. You don't want to go too far. You want to make sure it gets to around a 1. Or even just before that, wherever you're comfy. Now, next up, we want to make sure the camera is set up to expose the film right. Now, I've put 400 ISO film in this camera, but my camera is currently set to 200. To fix that, I simply pull up the dial upwards from the camera, and I twist it to the number that I need it to be. So in this case, I've twisted it to 400. Now, I'm just going to zoom the camera here a bit and let it refocus so you can get a better look. But if you see this red notch here, it's quite tiny. You just want to make sure that lines up to the number of the ISO for the film that you put inside this camera. So I've got 400 on the top here, and because I have 400 ISO film in the camera. So that's now all ready to roll. I can go out and take photos and know that the exposures will be pretty accurate based on the meter inside the camera. Alright, thanks for coming once again. I hope this video was helpful. If it's helpful, please drop a like and subscribe if you want some more. I'll see you next time. Cheers.